Hello everyone, for my recipe today is how to cook a delicious sardine in tomato sauce. And for ingredient I have 2 cans of tomato sauce. I have onion, I have garlic leaf, garlic and also chili. At first I have to add cooking oil to the pot and then add garlic. Wetting it until a bit red. We can add onion. Now add some ingredients like a little bit fish sauce, and chicken powder, and also a little bit sugar, and start to fry it. And now I add some oyster sauce. With a small head, Okay, and now I add sardine in tomato sauce. Okay. Okay, at last I add garlic leaf. Okay, that's finished for my food. It's really easy to cook, not take time and not spend much money. Okay everyone, thank you for your watching and thank you for your subscribe my channel. Okay, how do you think everyone? If you like, don't forget cook them. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.